Hi folks, for today's lesson we're going to expand on what we did yesterday, and we're going to use area models to multiply polynomials. Okay, so here are two examples of using the area model, so we practiced those. So here we just want to be able to now use them for polynomials. So you'll see, for example, in example 1, we just move our 3 down here, and then we just split up our second term, just like we did with the tens and ones or the hundreds and tens in our other area models, okay? And then we're going to just multiply them. So 3 times x just gives us a 3x, like we have here, and then a 3 times 2 just gives us a positive 6. So then you can see the statement down on the bottom that shows that equivalent answer. So we're essentially removing the brackets by doing this. Example 2, I will show you just quickly, but we're just going to focus on constants like in example 1. So example 2 has us multiplying a binomial by a monomial. So we just put our 2x down here, and then we just put these two terms on top, the x and a negative 3 or minus 3. And again, we just multiply those. So 2x times x is going to give us a 2x squared that we have right here, and then a 2x multiplied by a negative 3 gives us negative 6x. So you can see on the bottom here the equivalent answers. So for today we're just going to focus on example 1. Alright, let's test this out. So we have 2x 2 multiplied by x plus 1. So again, we're just going to fill that in on our area model, and then we're going to multiply 2 multiplied by x just gives us a 2x, and then a 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2 for a final answer of 2x plus 2. Now in the first one that we did, I already had the numbers filled in on the side, so when you're going to do yours, you're going to have to fill out your table. So you're going to put your 2 along this side, and then you're just going to split that term up, those two terms here. So we have 1 and negative x. So we'll go 2 multiplied by 1, which will give us a 2. And then we'll go 2 multiplied by a negative x. Be really careful with those negative signs, which gives us a negative 2 x, and our final answer will be a 2 minus 2x. So that's how you use the area model. Next, I'm just going to show you how to use the distributive property. And think about the distributive property like dealing cards when you're playing Crazy Eights or Uno. Essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take whatever number is on the outside here of our bracket, and we're going to distribute that number to both of the terms inside. Okay, again, just like dealing cards, right? If you're the dealer, number 2, and then you distribute to the other terms or all the other players. So here in our first one, we have a 2x plus 2 as our answer here. So we're just multiplying 2 and 2x and 2 and 1. And again over here, we have 2 multiplied by 1, which gives us 2, and then a negative 2x for our final answer there. All right, go try some questions. The solutions are posted, and good luck.